You need to have one of these in order to use the actual bag. We're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna open it up today and see what you get. So let's go ahead and open it up and set it up. Check it out. So it's a zipper. You put it in there, you put the stuff in the box, it becomes a box, and then we're gonna tie it down. If you guys can see it, we're gonna tie it down. And the excessive tape, you don't want it to swing, you want to actually wrap it up in here. So we're going to do that right now in a bit. You can see the excessive tape, it rolls over into there, so it won't be flapping around. So we're going to do this next one and then one more at the end. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, once we got it, we can always tie it up. All right, tie it up as much as you can so you can see the box. It's becoming a box. We're going to tie it down and we're going to tie up the next one. This is a large box we're transporting, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here we have it. It's nice and tight. I don't have a lot of stuff to go in the back, but this is a lot of luggage I'm taking with me. You could have it's a zipper. It's waterproof for rain. It's perfect for rain. It's not going to damage your car if you're driving. So if you're driving down the road, it's perfect. It's all tied down. It's tied down here in the sides too. If you guys can see the sides, we have it tied down. And it's also tied down in the back of it. Every single one is tied down and reinforced. You guys can see it. Waterproof, water resistance, weather resistance. You can take this anywhere, drive it cross country, and then when it's all said and done, you can always put it back in the bag. So let's go ahead and take this luggage somewhere. So let's go ahead and do that. Look how they grabbed onto the whole thing, came on really strong. Nothing happened. I made the trip, so that's good.